He trying to get in here so that he can get him an apple. Y'all look how chunky that thing is. They be eating good over here. All because my chickens, and I'm all, look at him scratching with his little cute self. Aww. He is chunky. Look how big he is. Oh my goodness. That is a huge squirrel. He trying to get an apple. One of these chickens just flew because they didn't want to touch the snow. Scared me. Look at him. I'm finna go get him an apple. I'm finna go get him a couple apples so we can watch him come and take him down. Look at him. He just scratching. I wonder why he's scratching so much. He coming down. He said he ain't even gonna wait for me to leave. He gonna come down right while I'm standing right here. Hold on, let me go get him some apple, y'all. I'll be right back.